This is Kilo, and today I'm going to show you guys how to convert your standard style latch plate with the rounded corners to either your squared corners if you're not comfortable chiseling in these round edges, or you might not want to use these at all and forego the chiseling and mounting screws and simply just slide in your driver style latch. This is extremely common when you have a metal door or a door with a metal skin, or if you just have a narrow door and you're afraid to chisel and split the wood. There's several reasons for this. This is a very clean look and takes a lot less prep than chiseling. You can simply just take your mock-up, bore the holes, and slide this guy in. A lot of you guys have emailed me and asked just what the heck these things even are. A lot of customers toss these with the packaging when they just use these. Or I've even seen people try to put these into the strike side and think these are the strike plate. This is actually for the latch itself, and I'm going to show you guys how to install it. So the first thing you're going to do is take your latch, turn it to the side, and you're going to see these gaps on the corners here. You're going to take a flathead screwdriver, insert, a corner of the screwdriver into this gap, and what you're doing is you're going to pop loose this brass backplate from the front latch plate. All that's holding this in is basically where the screws go. This little indentation is just snapped through the back plate. So it doesn't take a lot of force. You're just going to put the corner of your screwdriver in and just twist just like that. Break him loose, flip him around, find the gap. Just very little effort, and you're going to take off the faceplate. Now this isn't going to want to always come off the front, so you can usually slide these off, backwards, or if you find, let's see if this one has one, we can usually just pop him straight off if we find the notches, which this one does not have. I'm doing this through a camera, which is very difficult. So what we're going to do is just kind of get him around that. So what was holding us up here, and this will happen to you sometimes, on your latch, when it has this little indent that sticks up, it was actually catching on the plate here. So we're going to go ahead and toss him to the side. Now you have your latch that looks like this. You're going to take your cap, make sure it's not the one for the latch. You'll notice the latch has this little oval or this half circle here. That is for the dead latch on a, doorknob latch. This one will be shaped just like your deadbolt. And you will see these gaps here on the top and bottom of the cap. Those will align to these notches here. You will take this and just simply snap him on. And now you have your driver latch. So this is an extremely easy task to complete for your common DIY person or even your apprentice locksmith that may not have been shown this right away. If you came to a metal door and you're panicking on how to make it sit flush and you don't want to call for backup, this is always, as long as you have these in the kit, this will always save you there. If you guys learned something from this and you want to learn more about locksmithing or lock picking, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, stay safe and have a nice day.